In this video, I want to show you how to use a chart that was made in Microsoft Excel and use that same chart in PowerPoint or in Word or in Outlook. Now, here's a pretty typical chart. Now, I'm using Excel 2016, but this should work in Excel 2013, Excel 2010, and Excel 2007 as well. So this will work with any chart, not just with the one that's on the screen. Now, if you want to move your mouse onto your chart so that your mouse says chart area, just like that. So when the mouse says chart area, you're going to click there so that it would select the entire chart. All right, so you move around until your mouse says chart area, and then you click there, so it'll select the entire chart like that. Then you're going to do a normal copy. So I'll right click and pick on copy. Now, by the way, I have other videos on how to make the chart in Excel. Here, I just want to show you how to get that chart into PowerPoint. So now we'll go into the PowerPoint program. I'm going to go to a new presentation in PowerPoint. Now, this will work on a blank presentation, or it'll work on an existing slide, whatever you want to do. In Excel, we did a copy. Here, we're not just going to do a paste, we'll do a paste special. So I'll pick on the home menu. I'll pick on the pull down where it says paste right there. And then we'll pick on the word paste special. Good. Now, there's two reasons why I like to use paste special instead of just normal paste. First of all, it's going to look better. It really will. The chart will look better when we do a paste special. Second of all, here's the choice paste link. That means if the chart changes in Excel, it'll change here as well. So I did a paste special and a paste link. Now, you always want to pick the one that's called Microsoft Excel Chart Object. That's the one that'll work the best. I'm going to go ahead and click on OK. Here we are in PowerPoint, and yet there's the chart from Excel, and it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good because we did a paste special. Now, you can resize this chart. You can move it around, whatever you want to do. I'm going to resize it so it fills the slide. Good. And then I moved it. Then I also said paste link. Let's see what that means. I'm going to go back to Excel now, and I'll make an obvious change in this chart. I'm going to come over here and maybe we'll make the heading red. So I'll pick on format and I'll use a shape style. I'll make it red. Good. Now maybe over here on the side, I want that to say the word dollars. That's called the axis title. So I'll pick on the design menu, add chart element, axis title, and I'll say primary vertical. And notice over here it says axis title, and I'll say dollars there. And I'll make that one red as well. So I'll pick on format, and then we'll make it red. So that's a pretty obvious change. Let's go ahead and save the spreadsheet. Now let's see if it changed in PowerPoint. And we can see that it did. It changed here because we did a copy from Excel. Then we came over here and we said paste special and then paste link. Now, even if that PowerPoint presentation wasn't opened, the next time you open it up, it'll have the newest chart because of paste special and then paste link. Now, if it doesn't update automatically, usually it will, but if it doesn't update automatically, you come to PowerPoint, you're going to right-click on the chart in PowerPoint, and you say Update Link. And then you'll have the newest chart. That'll work in Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, Visio, Project. It should work on any of the other Microsoft programs. So you make your chart in Excel. You move your mouse to your chart in Excel, and you pick on Chart Area. You click there. Then you just do a normal copy. You go to the other program. In this case, I'm going to go to PowerPoint. We'll make a new slide. And we'll pick on Paste, and then Paste Special. And then I like the word Paste Link. And you say Microsoft Chart Object. And then we see the chart in PowerPoint that was made in Excel. And because it said Paste Link, it'll also change when the chart changes in Excel. So that's how we can take our Excel chart and put it into PowerPoint.